Okay, we are at the abandoned Watsonville grow house. There's your front door walking in. You come in, you've got a bedroom, sleeping area with a TV, the bed. Hopefully the guy will come and get his clothes, some racks, and stuff like that. And then room one has some furniture. There's really nothing in any of the cabinets of value in this room. We looked. The break room, there's a Dyson there, little vortex blower, nice desk table there, and fans, 3 hand trolleys in the back, some equipment. There's a sound system. We're not sure what that is, whether it's a heater or what. Part of a PA, break room stuff, the fridge, microwave. Some nice little cabinets. Continuing through the baños, the toilet stays. And then this room over here, oops, we just shut the light off. But that's where that one machine we're selling separate is, but everything else goes with the grow house. A couple of vortex blowers, fans in there. That goes to upstairs. We have separate videos. And here's your downstairs hallway. And there is a laundry room, a washer and dryer, so you can do your clothes while you're working here. And take these when you leave. You can take what you want, leave the rest. I talked to the owner of the property. He will get a dumpster, a 40-foot roll-off. So whoever wins all this stuff, anything that you deem trash, you can just throw in the dumpster. Make life a whole lot easier because there's a lot of stuff on the top of these. And this is grow room number 2, we designated it. On the left, your walls, everything in here, your tanks, your stuff, the cords. This is winner take all. Or take what you want, leave the rest. More stuff in here. I'm just trying to get some better video or some more video. One long video. Oh, there's an elevator too that takes stuff from the ground floor to the top of the grow rooms, because grow room number 4 is up there. It's like a starter room for starting your little seedlings and what have you. Over here through this door are grow rooms 1 and 2 that we'd previously been in, and all the air handling equipment. I don't know if it's going to light up for you. That's grow room number 2. Grow room number 1. You'll see that on the inventory sheets and the other videos a little better. And then here's the shop with the roll-up doors. All kinds of good shop stuff in here. Here's a little Vulcan arc welder, a bunch of electric engines. That's a sanding machine, a big ass cow catcher. Small one over there, the racks, the kayak, everything. Even this portable chain hoist. This thing's on wheels. Now, no resales from the site here. You got to take it out and down the street to sell it. So, and there's some more plywood here. There's wood everywhere. There's lots and lots and lots of wood. That big ladder remains. That's part of the property owner's stuff. And then over here, coming back to the air compressor. And then that shows you that that's grow room number 1. You're taking apart the whole grow rooms and moving them. So these things can be completely dismantled and taken out because they were built in here. And build your own grow room somewhere else. And that all this stuff's on top of the grow rooms. So all that goes, you can either dumpster it or take it. It's here for you. And I'm not going back up those stairs again. That's a video. It is July 11th in Watsonville, the abandoned grow operation. Everything's selling to one bidder with the exception of the vehicles and that one machine. So this is winner take all. And look at the other videos for more detailed inventory. Thank you very much. We'll see you at the auction. 818-583-7384, the auction area.